Alright everyone, welcome back girls and boys for another unboxing video. And this item is the Shiatsu Pillow Massager with Heat for back and neck, model CP-MO2. Let's check out, oops, sorry my peeps, sorry. Okay, so look at the whatever it says. You guys can pause it and read it. Alright, cool. That's it. Let's open it up. Let's see what's up with this bad boy. Let's see what we got inside. Okay, so we got the Tobo cigarette carb cable charger. Cool. That's one. Then you got your regular receptacle wall outlet, 120 volts power supply. Cool. And here it is, my peeps. What else? Oh, the user manual. Let's look at the manual real quick. Oh, it's pretty long and intensive. Oh man, a couple of pages, maybe different languages. Yeah, my piece. So all the different spots you can take, you can hit. Oh, this is cool, dude. That's why I like this one, because it's more compact, more portable, and you can concentrate on different parts of the body. Yeah, it's different languages. Alright, that's it. It's just nothing fancy, my peeps. Alright, so I'm gonna fly away. So here it is. Here it is, my peeps. I don't know if you guys can see the little massager balls right here. It has two here, and then I can feel them, two here. Yep, like ball sacks. Alright, that's it, my peeps. Look, on and off. Let's see if it turns on, if it moves. Nope, gotta charge them. It didn't energize. Oh no, because it's not battery charged. It doesn't have a battery. It would have been nice if it had a battery. You know, you can charge it like USB. But yeah, this is for the car, and then for the power. So that's it, my peeps, for this video. Nothing much, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Yep. Cool. Alright, my peeps, that's it for this video. And as always, my peeps, smash that like button, comment, share, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and thanks for supporting. And stay tuned for the next unboxing video. Alright everyone, peace, love, laters.